Text 2. New inventions that make steel roller coasters even scarier. New inventions make steel roller coasters scarier than ever. Designers have made new tracks and new seats. Roller coasters are even wilder now. Roller coaster tracks used to be flat like a piece of iron. Now tracks can be shaped like a straw or a tube. Tubular tracks can be bent in crazy ways. This lets roller coasters have many more loops. They also can have longer drops and tighter turns. The first roller coaster with tubular tracks was Matterhorn bobsled ride at Disneyland. Inventors have also changed the riders' seats. Riders used to sit in cars. They sat on seats with their feet on the floor. Now people can sit on swings with nothing underneath their feet.